Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what you think in the comments below.
Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Startup Review. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a professional resume. So in the previous video that we did, I talked about using a resume to apply the job. Okay, so this video is going to teach you how you can build your own professional resume so that you can use to apply the job. Okay, so if today is your first time joining the channel, make sure you like and subscribe, and then you comment anything you don't understand. Okay, so let's get started. So in order to start, you need to have an Indeed account. Okay, so if you've not signed up for Indeed, make sure you do so, because that's what you're going to use to get the resume. And you are aware that Indeed helps people to get free resume. Okay, but in this case we are not going to use Indeed's inbuilt resume. Okay, you're going to use an external website. So what you do first is that you go to Google, okay, and then you search for Indeed resume builder, just like this. Okay, now let me show you the perfect website that you're supposed to choose from the results. So you scroll down to not this one, yes, this one. Yes, so this is the website, free resume builder. Okay, so I'll drop the link in the WhatsApp group so that you can get access to it. Okay, so remember, resume.com. okay, so when you search for Indeed resume builder, then you look for resume.com, free resume builder. Okay, this one. Now you remember when I started the video, I told you that you need to have a resume account, so meaning that you need to sign up. Okay, or after signing up, you sign in so that you will be in the resume the Indeed, you'll be in the Indeed website. Okay, so now after that, go back to resume.com. So the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to click on create resume. Okay, now they are going to demand your Indeed account. So if you have already logged in on your laptop, you just go to continue with Google. Okay, so it's going to detect your Indeed account through the Google authentication. Do you understand? So if you can see here, you notice that they have detected my Indeed account, so it has straightforward opened the platform for me. So I'm going to use this platform to create my resume for free. Do you understand? For free. Okay, now what's the next thing you're going to do? The next thing we are going to do is that we are going to use AI to generate all the necessary information that we need to start our building our resume. Okay, now so the next thing we'll do is to go to let me use a different, okay, so this is a different browser. Okay, so I want to use this browser to generate the login itself. Okay, so this is our AI. Okay, now what you're going to do is that for my situation, okay, I'm going to use fake details. Okay, if I say fake, I'm not saying like something suspicious. Okay, but it's just to use it to help you guys understand how to create this. Okay, so I have to use any information that is not real. Okay, any information. So on this website, it's called fake name generator, so you can generate any name you want. Okay, so I'm going to use this person's name to generate the resume. Do you understand? So I have saved this person's details here. Okay, so this is it. I've saved it here. Now we need his phone, okay, which is what we have here, his date of birth, which is what we have here, location, and then his full name. Okay, sure. Now let's copy this, and then what you're going to do is that you're going to open a new chat, okay, on ChatGPT. Then you paste the information you copied here. Okay, now let's try to make it as detailed as possible so that there will not be any mistakes. Okay, so here you use first name, let's say this Ivo, and then the last name is Andel. So last name is Andel. Okay, now let's use this one for the location. Okay, so address from, let me use this to go back, and also yes, so this will be the address. Okay, and the mobile phone here. Okay, and then the date of birth here. Do we need anything else? Yeah, the Gmail. So let's see this is the Gmail. Okay, let me use any Gmail at all. Let me see if I can find any Gmail at all so that we can use. Yes, so let's say this Gmail is our Gmail that you're going to use. Okay, so we copy this and then you bring it here, and then we just go by Gmail. Okay, so you have everything here. So in case you want to add other external stuff, you can add maybe your experience, you understand, anything else that you think that it should be on your resume, you can add. Now the next thing you're going to do is that let's give it a prompt for you to create it for you. I need a professional resume as a graphic designer for my job application. Okay, now you are going to make it more detailed. Okay, so use real life companies and schools from my location. Okay, now this is what you have. So let's send the prompt to the AI and wait for. So you go back to the design. Okay, now I think I did this the last time, so I have to create a new resume. Okay, that's fine. Now no, I want, that's fine, we can just edit it off, so there's no problem. Okay, now the AI has successfully gathered information for us. Okay, now you see it has finished with the resume, and then it did Ivan, and then graphic designer and everything here, with the email here, and then your profession here, and your skills. Okay, your work experience, your education, your profile, additional information. Okay, now there are two things involved. It's either you download this in PDF. That's a new feature they've added to what's the name, they've added to ChatGPT. Okay, so you can decide to open it directly. So you see this, it's straightforward. let me increase it. You see, so you've gotten the resume straightforward from here, or you can just copy and paste. Oh, sorry. Or if you like, you can just copy and paste like this. Let me show you. So if you click here, if you want to, in case you want to use the resume.com, okay, and don't want to use the ChatGPT feature, okay, so you just copy the name and then you add it here, and copy the last name, add it here, the email, like that, okay. So you are going to manually input everything one by one, okay. So that's what so in the location too, you can just copy this and then put it in here, okay. When you're done, you just save it. So it will be, you see, it has been replaced with the new one that we entered. The same thing you're going to do with the summary, the experience, the skills, and the education, okay. So when you are done, you just click here on download resume and then you choose PDF, okay. So it's going to also download to your computer just like the AI did, okay. So now we have my resume, and then we have ChatGPT generated resume, okay. So if you open this is what you're going to get, okay. This one looks more professional and this one than this one, okay. This one it looks like it's generated, AI generated, okay. Yes, so we are going to be using this one, okay. So now, as you can see, we have successfully designed the resume that we are going to use for the job application, okay. So in my next video, I'm going to use this particular resume to apply for an online job in WeLocalize, okay, in UK to be specific, okay. So the next video is for the UK citizens who want online remote jobs, okay. So make sure that you share this video to anybody who needs a way to create a professional resume, okay. And once again, if today is your first time watching a video, make sure you subscribe, you leave a like, and then comment anything you didn't understand or what went wrong for you, so that we can help you out, okay. So I'll be dropping my WhatsApp group, okay, and WhatsApp channel in the description, so that you can join and then you discuss with others if you have any issue. So once again, thank you for joining. Have a nice evening.
Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what you think in the comments below.